How to delete projects in Framer. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. Today I will show you how to permanently delete projects from Framer. Now, you may have, got yourself in this situation where you try to actually delete a project from Framer. And if you just go to, your team and the projects and you just try to delete it the normal way where you would basically delete anything nowadays, is just go to the three dots next to it, and to your surprise the only thing related to even deleting it is the archive option. And if you try to archive it, you can simply just archive it, but it's not going to delete it. It's just going to move it to the archived projects basically. As you can see here, I have plenty. So you can see this is actually from 9 months ago, and this is also from 9 months ago. So I have a lot and I couldn't really delete them. So you can see here, the only way we can actually go ahead and delete them is from the archive itself. So this is how to do it, is just go ahead and let's just do it again. First archive them like so. And then from the archive itself, we can just go ahead and click on delete. Now, we can also do it in a different way, which also works, but this is pretty much the main way we can actually do so. But if you want to do it differently, what we can also do is create a whole new workspace, which is going to be pretty much projects that we want to delete. So we can just go ahead and click on my team here on the top, add workspace, name it trash or whatever it may be. It's not really going to last long enough to even care for. And then just go ahead and click on continue for that. And then what we can do is just go back to the team where you have the projects that you want to delete. Let's say these two. And then we basically want to move them to the new team basically, like so. The same goes for this one, like so. We move this other one as well. And now if we just go back to this one, we can just see all the items that we don't want in here. And obviously we're not going to archive them because you could have done that from the other one, but instead we can just go ahead and click on once you select the actual trash team here, go to settings, and then you want to go to details at the bottom, and you want to delete workspace. So just go ahead and click on delete workspace and type in the name of the actual workspace, which is displayed on the top left. So it's trash, and click on delete, and it should be deleted with everything that is included within it. So everything, every project, everything that is included in that specific workspace is now gone, and you don't have to archive them and then delete them that way. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.